Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Brian Jackson Network. My name is Brian Jackson, and I'll be your host for the next few minutes. So tonight's hot issue is golf courses. I live in a retirement community in California where we're having a drought, and we have 2 golf courses, 36 holes with plenty of luscious grass to maintain. Unfortunately, golf courses have fallen on hard times, and our community now wants us to pay $1.4 million over the next 3 years to subsidize the golf course. I don't golf, but I do appreciate the green space. Unfortunately, with severe droughts in California, we really can't afford that much green space anymore. So the question becomes, golf courses or not? Let me know what you think in the comments. In the meantime, I'll be looking for another issue to discuss in the next episode of this broadcast. I'll see you then.